For letter F, it says a city that has a higher elevation than Coachella, California. All of the ones that would have a higher elevation than Coachella would be all of the numbers that are above -22. And when I mean above, on our vertical number line, right, 0's here, and we go up or we go down, Coachella's down here at -22. So anything from here to here is going to be above it. So that means -21 is above it, -20 is above it, -19 is above it, and so on. So if I count back up towards 0, I would find -11 in that bunch, 4, 0, -8. The only one is -35. That would be way down here. So it would be A, C, D, and E. I'm going to give you another couple minutes to answer problem 2. The only thing I want you to keep your eye on is that the lowest number is going to be the greatest number with a negative sign. And that's because it's the furthest down. The more the number is higher, the further away it is from 0 when it comes to negatives. And that's going to be so confusing because you're going to be like, it's so big though, it can't be smaller, but really, think of it as going down on an elevator, right? If I'm going down and I continue going down and I'm getting further away from 0, my number's going to get bigger actually, but I'm getting further away. So take a couple minutes and you can answer A, B, and C. All right, for A, it says, which point is the lowest in the world? You would try to find the one that has the biggest number with the negative because that's the lowest. And that's going to be right here, Mariana Trench. It's the biggest number with the negative, meaning it's the furthest away from 0. And then B says, which mountain is the highest? So the tallest, the biggest number that's positive, and that's going to be Everest. Its elevation is 8,848 meters. The Mariana Trench, I forgot this, it's a -11,033 meters. For C, it says if you plot the elevations of the mountains and trenches on a vertical number line, what would 0 represent? Well, 0 represents sea level again. I'm just going to put this right here so that I don't have to go to the next page. 0 represents sea level. No elevation, no mountain, no hill, no nothing. Just represents flat sea level land. Okay? And it says what would points above 0 represent? Above 0's the mountains, the elevation. That's above sea level, and negative numbers would be below sea level. All right, now that you're done, you are going to get on iExcel, and I'll have some skills on the next slide for you to see. Make sure this is completely filled out and turned into your sub because this is for full participation. If you choose to not do this, you will get 0s for each page.